Now then, you may have heard of the famous Hollywood Wilhelm scream.
Wilhelm!
Yeah, I'll just fill my pipe.
Now this sound effect has been used in thousands of films. It was originally from like a 1950s movie, but it was later popularised by the legendary sound designer of Star Wars, Ben Burtt. Other sound designers would start putting it in their own films as a bit of an in-joke, and it became a meme long before the invention of memes. It's still used to this day, and once you hear it, you can't quite unhear it.
Wilhelm!
Now, did you know guitar-based rock music has its very own Wilhelm scream in the form of a lick? And I'm not talking about the lick. I'm talking about this lick. This lick is a building block of so many guitar solos, and it's the Wilhelm scream of blues rock used by every guitarist. But what is a lick? Licks are like phrases used in improvised solos, and learning them is like adding to your vocabulary, and you can put them together, form new sentences with them. And for some guitarists, learning licks is like collecting Pokemon. There's nothing wrong with a bit of Pokemon.
I wanna be the very best.
So, this lick uses the most common guitar scale that every man and his dog knows, the old A minor pentatonic, position 1. And the lick goes a little like this. I think it's like such a commonly used lick because it acts as a great jumping off point for going into other licks or musical ideas. So for example, you could do something like this with it. Or something like this. Or something like... I think just make sure you get the ratio of spice to tastiness balanced nicely, and you'll hear tons of variations of this lick. Just type any guitarist into YouTube and you'll see it, no joke.
That's a spicy meatball!
So it was the first lick I ever learned, and it was probably like a B.B. King or Albert King lick originally. All music comes from something before it. Just remember, make it your own. Put your own unique twist or flavour in there. Listen and learn, and remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Thanks for watching. I've been Callum. Give us a little like and subscribe, and let's take the lick round the block. Good night, Wembley.